ability to what's this, to rival a space telescope. A space telescope, yung palikuan siya na lang
E78
so optics, the latest technology now, second to nanotech. We also have AI astronomy, machine learning that is used to analyze data. Another, some additional trivia. The Hubble Space Telescope. Hubble Space has orbited Earth for 30 years already. Buwak pa natin si Hubble, no? Ako, Hubble Space Telescope has orbited Earth for more than 30 years, producing more than 1.5 million radio telescopes can detect signals from pulsars, rotating neutron stars that emit beams like cosmic lighthouses. Okay, so that's about the Hubble Space Telescope, the James Webb Space Telescope. We also have the Vera Rubin Observatory. 2024-2025 update from this observatory. It has already mapped billions of galaxies and was able to track the near-Earth asteroids that would enhance our planetary defense. Remember, the meteorite was unable to penetrate the Earth crust before they entered the atmosphere and had to bombarded outside. That's one of the latest updates from the Vera Rubin Observatory. Okay, so what we have a while ago are the reflecting telescope that use mirrors. They use concave mirrors. Okay, the limited